Hello lovelies, welcome back. Watch how I achieve this coconut fried rice. Here is my already washed rice. I'll add in the coconut cream. I added in black pepper and salt. I'll stir and give it a good mix. I'll cover and cook it halfway. So here is cooked halfway. I added in the remaining of my coconut cream. I just spread it all over and I'll cover and cook it fully. So here it is fully cooked but not saggy. I'll just mix together thoroughly and I'll set aside while the rice get cool. I added the vegetable oil. I added in my mixed prawns that I mixed with black pepper and salt before I started cooking the coconut rice. So now it's dried, I'll take them out of the vegetable oil. So once I am done with the prawns, I'll add in my mixed vegetable. Here I have spring onion, carrot, green peas, green pea, red, yellow, and green bell pepper. So I'll give it a good mix. I season it with some salt and one seasoning cube before I started cooking my rice. So I cooked it for 2 minutes. So here I'll set aside. I poured to another pot. I added my sweet corn, my fried prawns, and I'll give it a good mix. And I will add in my cooked rice. For those of you always returning to watch me, I really appreciate your love and support. Keep liking, keep sharing, keep commenting. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload, you will be notified. Feel free to check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. Follow me for more amazing videos. So I'll give it a good mix and I will leave it and steam it on a low heat for 3 minutes. So here is it, looking nice and ready.